Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to move your funds from your Earn Wallet to your Spot Wallet on Binance? Today I am going to show you how to transfer from Earn Wallet to Spot Wallet in Binance. Let's get started. Start by opening your Binance app or website and logging into your account. Once logged in, tap on Wallet at the bottom of the screen. Next, go to the Earn tab to access your funds. Find the coin you want to transfer and tap on transfer. Now choose Spot Wallet as the destination for your funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and hit confirm to finalize the transaction. Once completed, you will see your funds in your Spot Wallet ready for trading. And that's it. You have successfully transferred funds from your Earn wallet to your Spot wallet on Binance. Easy, right? If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.